In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tradingview lagging problem. If your Tradingview charts feel choppy, slow to scroll, or delayed when zooming in and out, the most common culprit is that your browser isn't using your computer's graphics card to render the charts. We're going to walk through a quick fix by turning on hardware acceleration, which hands off the heavy visual work to your GPU and usually makes charts noticeably smoother. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. Let the page load fully. This ensures we're testing changes in the same environment where you normally chart. Once you're on the site, look to the right side and select the symbol you want to view. Pick the market or ticker you typically watch. This helps you judge performance with something familiar, not a blank chart. Now open the full chart view. This is important because full chart uses more advanced visuals and interactions than the lightweight preview. If lag is happening, you'll notice it most clearly here when you pan across the chart, switch time frames, or add visual elements. With the chart open, go to your browser's menu at the top right, the icon with 3 dots. This is where you control browser preferences. We're going to change a setting that controls how the browser renders graphics-heavy pages like Tradingview. Click Settings. This opens the main preferences panel for your browser, where you can adjust performance-related options. Inside Settings, go to the System section. This area manages power and performance features. Different browsers organize things slightly differently, but you're looking for the system or performance area that mentions hardware or graphics acceleration. Enable the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turning this on tells your browser to use your graphics card to draw charts and animations, which is typically much faster and smoother than relying only on the CPU. This is especially helpful when you use multiple indicators, extended history, or rapid zooming and panning. After enabling it, your browser may note that changes take effect after a relaunch. That's normal for this setting. Once it's applied, return to your Tradingview full chart and move around the chart, change timeframes, and observe how interactions feel. Most users see immediate improvements in responsiveness, fewer frame drops, and overall smoother navigation. That's it. By enabling graphics acceleration in your browser, you allow Tradingview to take advantage of your hardware and reduce lag during charting. If you spend a lot of time analyzing markets, this small change can make your workflow faster, clearer, and a lot more pleasant.